Now, the National Credit Regulator has warned banks not to pursue bad business practices. The Banking Ombudsman recently received several complaints from customers whose bank accounts have been tampered with. Some banks have come under fire for misappropriating customers' entire salaries, in some instances to pay debts owed to them.
Verbruikers nie eers kos op hulle tafel het nie, dat hulle 'n man se salaris kan vat en doeteenvoudig dan dit wat die kliënt vir die bank skuld te delg. En dan sit daai man sonder 'n sent. En ek hoor duidelik wat Clive sê, die probleem is net, Vrydag weet ek van 'n spesifieke persoon, dit was 'n dame wat getroud was, sy's geskei op die oomblik, hulle het skuld aangegaan, haar man het nie werk nie en die bank het doeteenvoudig gegaan en haar volle salaris geneem. Nou vreek, dit skreeu ten hemele.
It's not in line with the NCA, it's not in line with general collecting principles per se. However, it has been brought to their attention. They have agreed to stop that practice. They have also agreed to refund the people whose entire salaries they have taken.
The Ombudsman has recommended that the banks refund the amounts they deducted and limit themselves to deducting a reasonable amount.
I've met with ABSA Bank, and they've admitted doing this. We've agreed that they will stop doing it. We've agreed that they will refund the money to those customers from whom they've taken it. And thirdly, we've agreed that they will, in future, deduct smaller or nominal amounts only. But there's certain requirements for common law set-off. And I'm not convinced that the banks are entitled to apply common law set-off as they claim.
The banks are acting in terms of what is called a right of set-off as per the common law. When the National Credit Act was introduced, it changed the common law in terms of particular areas. For instance, the National Credit Act prohibits a right of set-off to be created in a contract. The National Credit Act also requires that certain notices must be given to a credit consumer before a credit agreement can be enforced. The National Credit Act also created the right of debt counselling for consumers. So, in any case, a credit provider must follow these procedures that is defined in the National Credit Act before they can apply set-off, even in terms of the common law.